Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a sliding net. This versatile tool is designed with an extendable handle, allowing you to reach targets that are otherwise inaccessible. It's perfect for safely landing fish, retrieving items from the water, or even clearing debris. Its telescopic design makes it incredibly convenient for both transport and storage, collapsing down to a manageable size. Understanding its basic components is the first step to effective use. To prepare your sliding net, first grip the main handle firmly. Gently extend the telescopic sections one by one until you reach your desired length, typically between 5 and 10 feet. Listen for a click or feel a positive lock to ensure each section is securely in place, preventing collapse during use. If your net head is detachable, make sure it is firmly attached to the end of the pole, ready for action. When attempting a catch, approach your target slowly and from behind, minimizing disturbance. Once in position, submerge the net completely into the water, ensuring the entire hoop is below the surface. With a swift, smooth upward scooping motion, capture your target. Immediately lift the net out of the water and rotate the handle slightly, closing the net's opening to prevent escape. This technique ensures a secure and efficient retrieval every time. Proper care extends the life of your sliding net significantly. After each use, rinse the net mesh and handle thoroughly with fresh water to remove any debris, salt, or contaminants. Take a moment to inspect the mesh for tears and the handle for any cracks or loose fittings. Once clean and dry, collapse the telescopic sections fully. Store your net in a dry, shaded location, away from direct sunlight, to prevent material degradation, and ensure it's ready for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.